Hi y'all, I'm Jonboy, and I'm going to be putting lights on our tree here. And for a tip to start out, with your lights, you want to pull on them to try to get them straight. So it'll be easier when you're trying to put them on the tree. So instead of just putting the lights all the way around, there's an easier way we do it. So I'll show you here in a minute. So we normally just use regular white lights. It's fun to use colored ones too. So want to make sure that plug-in side goes down, and we're going to be plugging it in a cord we've got back here. Instead of putting all the lights around, we are going to be putting the lights on vertical. So here's what we want to do. You want to start back here and go ahead and plug it in so your cord won't be too loose or too tight, or you won't have enough. So I'm going to go ahead and go back here and plug it in. There we go. So I'm going to start right here. And what you want to do is you want to push the lights as far to the center of the tree as possible. So I'm going to start down here, and we'll see how it looks when we're done. Also, you want to be careful not to step on your lights, because if one bulb goes out, then they could all go out. So you just want to be cautious of that. And I'll just work my way around until I'm done. So I got an extra pack of lights over there that I'll use if I need them. But you just want to make sure to push them back as far as you can, so when you're putting ornaments on, the lights won't be in the way. So there we have it. We did the lights up and down tree, going all the way around, and it's quicker. I don't know about easier, but it's definitely quicker, and that's Tree of Lights. So have a happy holiday. Bye, y'all.